Hello everyone, this is the Chinese Mitten Crabs aquaponics project, and today we're going to talk about respiration. The basic concepts of respiration. Food stores chemical energy. When a piece of food is burnt, it reacts with oxygen in the air. This is an oxidative process. During the process, the food is broken down into carbon dioxide and water. The chemical energy stored in food is released as heat and light quickly in one single step. We take in food to obtain energy for metabolic activities. In body cells, chemical energy stored in food is released to support body activities through a process called respiration, which involves a series of steps. So, what is respiration? Respiration is the process by which organisms release energy from food through the controlled oxidative breakdown of food. Glucose is the most common substrate for respiration. During respiration, glucose is broken down into carbon dioxide and water through a series of chemical reactions in a gradual manner. The reactions are controlled by enzymes. In each reaction, chemical energy is released. About 45% of the energy is stored in the energy carrier ATP, while the remaining 55% of energy is lost as heat. The heat released is important for maintaining body temperature. The overall equation for respiration is glucose plus oxygen with the action on enzymes goes to carbon dioxide, water, and energy in the form of ATP. So, what is the role of ATP in cellular metabolism? During respiration, some of the energy released from the breakdown of glucose is used to form ATP by combining a phosphate with ADP. This process is called phosphorylation. The energy released from the oxidative breakdown of one glucose molecule can be used to form many ATP molecules. In this way, the large amount of energy stored in a glucose molecule is packaged into smaller amounts in each ATP molecule. ATP acts as an energy carrier in the cell in which it is made. It cannot be transferred from cell to cell. It can be readily broken down into ADP and a phosphate with the release of a small amount of energy. The energy is sufficient to drive individual reactions in cells. The ADP and phosphate released can be reused to form more ATP during respiration. Many metabolic activities in the cell are driven by energy carried by ATP. Below are some examples. Active transport of vital substrates, for example, uptake of food molecules in the alimentary canal and absorption of minerals by the roots of plants. Cell division, transmission of nerve impulses, muscles contraction, the synthesis of biomolecules, for example, synthesis of proteins from amino acids. These are all examples of metabolic activities that are driven by energy carried by ATP. What are the types of respiration? Respiration takes place in all living cells. It can take place with or without oxygen. Respiration that requires oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Respiration that does not require oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. Compared with aerobic respiration, much less ATP is formed in anaerobic respiration, and the products are also different. The site of respiration. With the two types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic respiration, both types of respiration starts with the same step, which occurs in the cytoplasm of a cell. For aerobic respiration, the remaining steps occur in the mitochondria. Both the cytoplasm and the mitochondria contains various enzymes that catalyze the series of reactions of respiration. However, for anaerobic respiration, only the cytoplasm is needed. The structure of the mitochondrion. A mitochondrion is bounded by a double membrane. The inner membrane is highly folded. It is packed with enzymes involved in the reactions of respiration. The space enclosed by the inner membrane is filled with a fluid called the mitochondrial matrix, which also contains enzymes involved in the reactions of respiration. Most energy in food is released by the reactions which occur inside the mitochondria. Therefore, active cells such as muscle cells, fat cells, liver cells, and sperm contain a lot of mitochondria.
This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the tab to watch the next part of the video series.